While inside the MDE app, press the map icon at the bottom. At the top middle, where it says Wait Times, press on the down arrow to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Characters, third from the top. This brings up all the character meet and greets at the park on the map. You can click on the character to see the specific times. To see a list, select Show List in the upper right-hand corner. You can then scroll through the list to find the character you want. And click on the character to see the specific times. To filter by park, select the filter option in the upper left-hand corner. Then choose your location and press the Apply button.